I got a couple of boxes from Stylecraft. Hopefully they are what they are that I think that they are. Let's open it up.
Across the office, and I'll send the other elevator. First door on your left.
Let's go! Let's go! Yes, sir. It's the 360. I ain't even going. It's the 360. Let's go, man. Hold on. This is the box for the shop. Hold on. Let's just get into the unboxing experience though. Let's open it up. Hold on. Let's pick out the inside real quick. Hold on, what's that paper? Get out the way. Ugh, look at that. You got the 360 and the bio right here with the clippers right here. Let's get into the clippers.
You alright?
May I ask, you didn't tell me about you and me.
What?
The two of you out together.
Let's go, man.
I, of course, understand. He's amongst the.
Shout out to Stylecraft, man. This collab is pretty dope. As you guys can see, I already got him.
I only asked.
I already got him. Of course, I'm gonna do a custom with B.Clark Customs. He gonna hook me up with something. Something gonna get down with these. But yeah. Dope. This is dope. I'm gonna do a review. Not really a review. I'm gonna go more in depth in another video. But yeah, this is it. The 360 Stylecraft collab. It's going down. It's going down. Let's go. Justin is here. Let's go.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you.
Right.
Hell yeah. It's dope, bro.
Josh is here. It's the 360.
Oh, dang. Thank you, bro.
No problem.
Dang.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Ooh, what is this? My boy.
Hey man. Stylecraft Pro. 360 Jeezy.
Or Jeezy, my bad. My bad.
There you go, man. The GOAT, man. How many can find these, man?
360 Jeezy. 360 Jeezy. 360,
Where you get your beats? HustleDreamProduction.
Alright you guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off by saturating my client's hair because we're gonna cut a lot off on the sides and on the top. He's gonna get like a little texture top, taper on the sides, because the best way to attack this is by damping the hair, sectioning it off, and knocking off the bulk. So now that I have the hair nice and damp, like I said, I'm gonna section off the hair at the parietal ridge. The parietal ridge is the area in between the top and the sides, all right? So right here at that corner, I'm gonna go all the way around, sectioning it off, setting in my duck clips, and taking off the bulk at the bottom. Next, I'm gonna clipper over comb the bulk on the sides. I'm gonna set my comb in at a 45-degree angle, and I'm just gonna knock off all of the bulk. Now, the reason why I'm setting it at a 45-degree angle is because I wanna keep some of that bulk on top, so that way the hair that I cut off on top has something to rest on, all right? I don't wanna just cut it off as if I'm doing a undercut. You don't wanna do that, all right? The look won't be complete if you do that. So make sure you keep some of that bulk at the top as much as possible. I like to flare it out as I go, and basically on the back of the head, kind of keep some of that bulk to where it's running off of that occipital bone in the back. So now I'm gonna work at the very bottom, working on that length, and that length I'm gonna bring down to a 3. I'm not gonna go all the way up and take off that bulk. I'm gonna shape that later. What I'm gonna do to the top, I'm gonna wet the hair at the top and basically lay it down so I can clipper over comb. But right now, I wanna make sure that the bottom half is at that 3-guard length. So as you can see, the bulk on top is all over the place, all right? So to tame it, what you wanna do is, just mist the hair real quick, bring it down. That way you could clipper over comb and really add shape to it. So now I'm gonna work on the taper. I'm gonna set in my ball line in a rainbow-like shape, and just clear out the bulk at the bottom. Now going back with my clippers, with the lever open, I'm going right above that rainbow-like shape. I'm keeping that shape, going over the guidelines with my corners. Because I'm in a tight area, you don't want to use the full blade, because you'll might make the the guidelines straighter than you would if you're using your corners. Next guideline you want to set in is the 1 guard with the lever open, going up about a 1/2 inch, making sure I use my corners, and I go over that guideline multiple times, making sure I use my comb, knock off that excess hair, and just maintain that shape as much as possible. So I'm not gonna worry about the bulk on top just yet. I'm gonna work my way back down, blending out those guidelines. All I did was close the lever on that 1 guard, and I'm softening up that middle line. Now putting on the 0 guard with the lever fully closed, and in flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Keep in mind I'm using my corners the entire time. So in the case that the 0 guard just doesn't get everything out, What I like to do is I like to go back with my lever open and just kind of detail those areas where I see bulk. Now with the lever fully closed and a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Notice how I'm using my corner the entire time. I'm not really using the full blade at all. I'm just picking and choosing what corners of the blade that I should use, depending on what side of the blend I'm working on. So now I'm gonna worry about the bulk that's on the top. As you can see, it's not really much that you need to take off. I'm gonna set my comb at a 45-degree angle and kind of measure where that one guard is that I went last, and kind of, you know, scoop out and go up with the clipper instead of just, you know, going sideways. I'm gonna blend into the bulk that's on the top. So normally when I'm doing the detail work, I'll have the, you know, camera facing you guys, but on this one I really wanted to get the first person view when doing my you know, detail work. Make sure you realize that detailing is extremely important. All right, detailing is what sets you apart from being just the average barber. All right, how well you can detail. What I like to do is I like to go to the mirror. The mirror shows you a different perspective on the blend. Also, if you don't have access to a mirror, rest your eyes, you know, look away for about a good 30 seconds, come back to the blend, and just use your corners on the blade in areas where you see bulk. Now, as far as the back goes, it's the same exact step. By memorizing the steps, it's gonna make you faster at actually cutting, all right? So don't be scrambling, wondering what blade to use or what guard to use next. You should already have this embedded in your mind, what to do next, all right? That's how you increase your speed. So yeah, the same thing I do on the sides is the same thing that I do in the back. Now, I'm gonna work on the top. I'm gonna take out my duct clips, saturate my client's hair more with water, getting it more damped. I'm gonna lay it down and then match the hair that's on the top with the bulk that's on the sides. All right, I'm gonna take I'm gonna section it off, take a little bit off with my shears, just to get everything to match, and basically just texture the top with my thinning shears. And lastly, I'm just gonna blow dry everything so it's nice and dry so I can line them up. I said I got you. I can't work miracles, but I know who did.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Yeah. Got it.
You too. This is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, Hustle Dreams Production. That's my brother. He does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Also, if you want to know where you can find me on Instagram and TikTok, man. Y'all lucky with that TikTok. It was about to get banned, but hey, we back up and running. My Instagram is 360 Jeezy, and my TikTok is official 360 Jeezy. It's your boy 360 Jeezy, and I'm out of here.